TREVIN. So I'm new to Sui and I want to get into DeFi and I might want to leverage a little bit, but I just don't know where to start. Well, don't you worry, because we have Kaya Finance and I'll show you the whole website of how to get some amazing APR plus leverage safely. Okay, so now the fun begins. Go to kaya.finance and boom, you'll come up with this sleek, amazing, new, refreshing website that they just updated. I love it a lot because I am a sucker for a good UI. So first thing we need to do is go in the right top hand corner and sign in with your wallet. Once you're signed in, you're actually able to go to vaults and LP vaults at the very top. Or if you do want to explore the site, all you have to do is scroll down a tad and you're able to see at the vaults all at the bottom. So they offer wrapped USDC, USDT, Sui, and USDC. So whichever one we want to go in, let's click on Sui, for example. So for Sui right now, at the time of this video, I'm able to get 8.87 APR. And then it'll just show you how much is actually locked away, what the APR is at that time, and then kind of like a profit simulation of how much technically you could be getting back. And I love that it's just an estimate. It's not down to an exact science. So let's just say 1, for example, and then we'll just hit deposit, and then we'll just hit approve really quick. And that's all you have to do. You just put in the amount, you hit approve, and boom, your Sui is already earning some APR for free. Booyah! So then if you want to go back and you're looking to take out your Sui, all you have to do is just hit withdraw and you can just withdraw right there. And then let's move on to the LP vaults, or boosting earnings with dual LP pools up to a 10x leverage. So right now they have USDC to USDT, they have USDT to wrapped USDC, and then we have the standard Sui versus USDC. So we'll just click on the bottom one because that's what we have the most of, and we'll just hit new position. So right now, since we really don't have a lot of USDC on this account, I'll just be doing a simple way of just showing you what the platform looks like and how to take advantage of this. So right here, it'll say CDIS for USDC/Sui, and then we'll just hit 1 USDC, and then we'll do 1 Sui. And it will already do the range for us, and we're able to, from this point, actually leverage how much we want. So let's say that we want to go for a 1% leverage. So technically, if this all goes right, we should be able to get 3.15% during this time. And I think this is a really cool way, and I haven't really seen a website do this very good. So then all we have to do is just hit create position and approve, and boom, we have our pool created for leveraging Sui and USDC. And right here, it will say open. So this is the new and improved Kaya Finance, and I really trust the team, and I think they'll bring a lot of cool features to the whole Sui ecosystem to really evolve the DeFi side. I know Mr. Brett Smith has done amazing things on the DeFi side, so if you're looking to learn more about DeFi, I highly recommend following him on X as he goes over the whole Sui ecosystem, airdrops, and anything you can think of. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video and have a wonderful day or night for wherever you are in the world. But don't worry, because I will see you in Web3. Ooh, yeah. Trevor's in his groove. That is some terrible dancing. Oh, yeah.